What's up, you guys? KG Studios here with another video. Now I want to start off by answering the question that you're probably asking at the start of the video despite reading the title. Where's the tutorials, monkey boy? Now look, not everything has to be a tutorial. Maybe it's just another normal lesson. Let me have something. I'm new to this. But as you read from the title, we're going to be talking about Photoshop styles, which you could easily find on the corner of your screen, or you can move this anywhere, to be quite honest with you. But I wanted to talk about Photoshop styles, why you need to be utilizing Photoshop styles, how to say Photoshop styles. Just initially, this whole video is covering Photoshop styles, just like last video was talking about threshold. So for example, I have my logo here once again. Say hello to my logo. Hello, logo. I used it last time for the threshold video, and obviously I want to use it again for my styles video. And as I stated, you can find Photoshop styles in the corner or wherever you want it, or you can go ahead and double click it, and usually it goes straight to blending options. If you go right above, you have all your styles listed right here. And as I said, I wanted to talk about why you should be utilizing Photoshop styles, because it's not automatically just an effect and then it's permanently there. I mean, you need to play around with these styles, because let's be quite honest here, they're styles, they're presets, and the thing with presets is you could make it different. You have to make it different. Truthfully, you know how many merchandise things I've seen already use this gold effect? You know how many things of merchandise I've already seen use this gold effect? No fixing it up, no changing it, just keeping it how it is. I mean, it's crazy. And as I said, they're presets, so play around with it. You know, one of the things that you can play with, stroke. Okay, it's based on the center here. So see if you mess with the size. Makes it a little bit thicker. Obviously that doesn't look super great. Bevel and emboss. Not a lot of people knows exactly what a bevel and emboss is. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, I'm not the best at playing with bevel and emboss, but at least I understand a little bit of how it works. See, so you can play around with the depth. As you can see, made it go away a little bit. If we bring it down to like a 1, you still see it there. Color overlay. You know, they got gray tones in there. If you remove it, what the fuck's changing? Now if we go down a little bit, I love using the acid trip packs that was created with Fuller Mo and D-Boy. I love these effects. Just look at the nice colors on them. Oh my fuck. There's gonna be a code down below that you can use to save a little bit off of your order if you see any of the packs that I'm using and it interests you. Just look at the vibrancy on this. Oh my god. Another good one, the Future Chrome pack. I'm not here just trying to flex on styles packs, just so y'all know. It just oh my god, they rule. But see, you need to play around with it a little bit more. See, this one has 250 on the bevel. See if you mess around with some of the bevel, you create something totally different. If we bring it down a little bit, it leaves it right at the edge somewhat. Yeah. And you can play around with the size of it. Let's say I want to leave it down to not that low. Now you can't see nothing. 35. You have the option of sitting here and softening it up, or obviously making sure it stands out. One of the things I like to do as well is this also actually gives you an opportunity to have other gradients added to it. And I know I talk about gradients too much. I'm so sorry, but you have some cool gradients over here. For example, click on the gradient layer. And look, you got like a nice bluish purple. Forgive me, I'm partially colorblind. That makes so much sense, doesn't it? A graphic designer partially colorblind. But it goes down to a nice green. And look, this is a bunch of them that I ended up saving myself. But I mean, you could go here and you hit new. And boom, now that gradient saved over here. Now I want y'all to know, as I said, Fuller Mo's pack you have to pay for. If you search up Freestyle Packs, you could definitely find some sick styles packs. For example, D-Boys, all of these right here, he legitimately handed out for free. He just said, hey, here's some styles packs that you can use for your own designs. And then of course I'm sitting here and I'm going, what the hell? Thank you. Griffin GFX, he came out with a chrome pack that he put out for free as well. Now look at all these, just simple chrome. Oh, that's kind of ghostly, isn't it? But just chrome packs, just like that. That one was free. This one I think looks cool. I use it a lot whenever it comes to fire things. It gives it a nice burn effect. If I turn off the pattern node, you know, look at that. You know, just messing with one little setting could make a whole lot of difference. That looks pretty sick there. See, like Halloween styles packs. Like blood. Now of course it's a little stipply, so of course you can go to the pattern and I want to make this pattern a little bit bigger. Boom, happy Halloween! It is almost Halloween, isn't it? Yep. Look, another Halloween. These chrome styles, these look pretty sick. But at the end of the day, all I'm saying is you have styles packs. These are presets. It means you don't have to sit here for a bunch of hours yourself. Someone else in collaboration or by themselves sat here for hours doing all of this, testing everything themselves and saying this looks sick to give to the public. As I have to keep reminding people, obviously, this is a preset. You will see many people using the same preset, not changing a single thing, making it look not different. The thing that you need is to make sure to change it up always though. See, for example, have this one on the screen right here. That doesn't mean you have to use it like this. Color overlay, change it to red, and then boom. Make sure the opacity's up, of course. But now you got a red. See, before and after. You just mess around with the presets. Make it different. Make it different. God damn it. Take advantage of these packs. But also, take advantage to the point where you make it your. That's the end of this one. I know it's a super short video compared to the rest. I know it's not a tutorial as well. But I at least wanted to put out more content for you guys. Follow my social medias to see stuff that I've designed because I'm bored, for exposure, or because I got paid to do so. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Kerry G from KG Studios. I'm out of here.